Oh, hi! You have started watching the video? Yes, even I can't stay long away from you people. This, as you know, is pomfret fish with coriander. Very simple dish with minimum ingredients. I know you'll all like it. So do subscribe to our channel if you have not done it yet, The Purple Box. Also like and share, and in the comment section write whatever you want to discuss with me. Hey fish lovers, doesn't it look absolutely delicious? It is. Don't need to write the ingredients now, I'll give it later. Let's start. These are the pomfret fishes. Wash them very nicely in warm water with a quite good quantity of salt in it. When you go to buy pomfret fish, you need to observe that it is quite stiff and not soft at all. A small guideline for how to cut the fish. This L-shaped cut on the head is very important to clean it from inside nicely, and the sides you have to trim it well, even the tail. See? It's all cleaned properly and then cut and cleaned from inside also. Now add a hint of lemon juice and then sprinkle salt from the top. Cooking and preparing food is an art, so the maximum you use your hand, for me it is always much better. So just see that the salt is equally given to all the fishes. Use your hand to do this. Now comes the coriander leaves. Take a big bunch of coriander leaves as fresh as possible. These are plucked from my father's garden right now. Then chop them. Though we will make a paste, but we will chop them first. Now in a mixing jar, take the coriander leaves which are chopped and then add some garlic pods, some ginger which are grated beforehand. See, they are grated as small as possible, and I have taken one green chili, but you can add more. And also add some salt and lemon juice and then make a paste out of it. Whoosh! And our paste is ready. Now on a pan, heat some oil and fry the fishes which was mixed with salt and lemon juice and kept for around 10 to 15 minutes approximately. Just after 1 minute, turn the other side and allow it to fry for another 1 minute. That's it. It's a very thin skinned fish. You have to be very careful in turning it. Look, I have burned the skin. It was my mistake because I had kept the flame high. You have to keep it very low. Now take out the fried fishes on a plate and allow them to cool down for some time. These fishes were cooked for only around 2 minutes. So you can all understand that these are half cooked. Now say after around 10 minutes, when the fishes are much more lower in temperature than when we took it out, put them back on the pan on very small quantity of oil and allow them to fry again. You must be wondering, what madness is this? It so happened once that I had to remove unfried or less fried fish out of the pan, and I discovered this. When you keep pomfret fish half fried outside, the heat inside makes it softer. Now after 1 minute, we will add the coriander paste or the coriander sauce that we had made. Gradually just pour it on top and keeping the heat less, spread it all over on the fish with a very soft spatula. Then cover it and keep it for 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, you can increase the flame a bit more than very low. This is after around 1 minute. See, the sauce is gradually spreading from the top towards the bottom of the pan. Now after around 2 minutes, remove the pan, and there is a trick to how we are going to spread the sauce below. We are not going to turn the fish. We are going to gradually push the fish a bit above the pan and very gently with the spatula try to put the sauce below the fish. Let me discuss one thing which I forgot to do in this video, but you will do it when you do the dish. While frying in the first half, you fry one side more and one side less, which I said both equal. Then you pour the remaining lemon juice and allow it to cook for another 1 to 2 minutes maximum. As I was saying, so you fry one side of the fish more, and in this second half when you are cooking, the extra fried part should face you, because we are not going to turn the fish this time. Yeah, and it's ready. Serve it on a serving dish. Have it hot with rice. You can have it both as a side dish or as snacks. Let's quickly check the ingredients, the most important thing for a perfect cooking. Take a screenshot of this and you can refer to this later when you are going to try this dish. Okay? I'm going to enjoy this with hot steamed rice. Bye. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself.